Sweet. Normal work day. A giraffe pissing. Pissing straight in the fucking wind. That's awesome. Okay, well, I'm gonna give some more hay to these zebras over here. Oh, check them out. They're awesome. They're loving it. I gotta give them 3 separate piles or else they won't let each other eat. Look at their awesome stripes. Isn't that just so badass? Today I'm gonna give them corn. But if I open up this bag, all these giraffes are just gonna go crazy and eat it out of the back, and there's nothing I can do about it until they move. Today I couldn't dupe them. Usually I try any way I can find to dupe them and make them believe I'm gonna go somewhere else and then hurry up and jet. Otherwise, they really do. They eat everybody else's food. So this is my first mission of the day, to feed these zebras. But since the giraffes are here, it's hard because they really just want the food and they want to eat it all. So, and there's not much I can do. They're right in front of the tractor, so when there's a big, huge 17-foot animal in front of you, there's not much you can do. You just gotta wait till they're done and kind of release and go away. So until then, I guess I'll just feed these guys. Hopefully they won't eat all their food and all the corn before I can feed everybody else, because these are just 3 zebras. She's got 3 on the other side. But these are all the giraffes. All 4 of them are right here. They're hungry as hell. And let it be known, it's only 7 o'clock in the morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and as soon as they heard this gator running, they're just like, they run towards it. They know it's food, and they're ready. Oh, look at you. Oh, hello. Hello, mama. Hello, pretty baby. Hello, pretty mama. Hello, pretty mama. Hello, pretty mama. They're so awesome. They're so majestic. Isn't it so cool? Wow. All 4 of them right here. Usually the females, they stay away. The males are really more intrusive. They like to get to know you. They want to smell your hair. They want to come up and lick you and touch you. But the females, they pretty much, they only want to know you if you got food. And they don't like you really touching them too much. But the males, they're awesome. They'll let you scrub their bellies and all this with the scrub brushes and everything else. It's really, really awesome. But the main thing to realize is they're like 15 feet tall, so if you're standing really close to their legs, they can't really see you. So that'd be your biggest chance of getting kicked or getting hurt if you're standing right by their legs. If you stay outside of their perimeter, outside of their eyesight, they always know where you are, so they don't tend to be startled or, jump or be confused. Because they're pretty much like cows. They're just like such happy, big, huge cow creatures. They're cool. They're not mean or vicious in any way. But the zebras are different. They're more like horses, but not. They're so wild. They're not they're not like horses like that. They're really crazy, and the sounds they make are like it's a really weird cross between a donkey and a horse. And it's really very primal, the sounds they make. It's really crazy. So anyway, I'm going to attempt to open this corn up. I know these giraffes are going to bombard me, but I have to do it. I have to feed these zebras today. Just letting you know, a normal work day for me is this. Giraffes licking me. Pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. Except for the giraffe slobber. The giraffe slobber isn't so great, but it's worth it in the end. See, look, I already found a way to get inside of it. They're smart and very, very hungry. Okay. So I'm going to get the scoop. Awesome. Isn't it just amazing? This is what I deal with every day. This is my new job. I absolutely love it. Who wouldn't want to preserve these animals? They're so awesome. Not too many zebras are bred in captivity, but she's done it plenty of times. And actually, this one's pregnant right now, and we're expecting another baby zebra. And I get to name it. The name's going to be Shabam. Shebang. Yeah, shebang. Shebang, shebang, shebang. Shebang, shebang, shebang. Shebang. Oh, look at you, Mama. Look at you, Mama. Alright, I'll check back in later once these guys go away and I can show you the next stop. Because this will take a while. They just like to stand in the way so I don't get things done. So I'm going to have to wait here until they move. You can't just make a 15, 16-foot creature just move when you want them to. I mean, they're kind of like dogs in that kind of sense. There's food here, so they're not really going to want to move. Oh, hello, Mama. Hello. Hello, Mama. Hello, Mama. Alright, I'm going to cut to the next. Average work day. Sweet. Now they're going to eat all the zebra's food, so I got to get off here and try to deter them from eating all their food. Alright.